Yeah, don't do it, Jim.
Do it.
Jim, don't do it, Jim.
Do it.
What's up, bitches? Welcome to my garage.
Why'd you do it, Jim? Why? Why? To humiliate me?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. I apologize about that little introduction. That was just Static Dad try to put his 2 cents in our video. But we're finally going to be working on his E46 convertible, which he just bought about like 2 weeks ago. We did mention this car in another video. If you guys seen, I think it was a video about your car. I think it was seats or sway bars.
Seats.
Sweet. Sick ass smooth. We'll give you guys another quick walk around of it because this car only has 60,000 original miles. So this car is practically new. And I mean, inside and out is just immaculate. So he wants to do this car really nice, use the right things, and pretty much use everything that we've learned about E46s to his advantage so we can just build a fucking dope car.
Should have been an M3.
So today we're going to be installing these BC Racing Coilovers.
Alright, let's see.
Sick ass fool.
Handyman with the BC.
I can't even grab it. Hey, relax. Whoa. Well, they're so nice.
Veloster days.
The Veloster days, the E30 days. So these are the BC Racing Coilovers that we got.
Hey, dude, look. They even give us Cheetos. Respect.
These coilovers are really nice, and he did get just the regular ones, not the, oh fuck bro, this shit's getting heavy. He did get just the regular BR, not the BR Extreme Lows, which are the same price, but since this is his daily, he doesn't want to go too low, so he wants something with this.
Oh my god.
Relax. Oh, when people need to subscribe so we can get a shot, bro.
Right?
It's only getting louder.
Yes, subscribe, like, and comment.
Make sure to press that bell button.
Yes.
It also comes with some new end links for the front. Normally, coilovers for E46s do that. And then these are the rear shocks, which you're going to be able to adjust the height with. And as you can see, there is a lot of tread for such a little space. So these
Thread.
Hey, relax. Ready, fool?
Ready.
1, 2, fool. How'd you do that?
Fool. What the fuck just happened?
Since this is a convertible and an E46, we need some reinforcements. So what did we also get?
Roll cage.
Hey, relax. It was a daily. We did end up getting some BMW strut tower reinforcements, and these are OEM, so they're gonna be protecting the subframe. I was about to say that shit, fool. The strut towers from bending or warping or cracking. And he also ended up getting some studs, so we can do a stud conversion on the way there.
I don't know if you guys know. I'm pretty sure a lot of you do know. He's a big YouTuber, the king of random. Grant Thompson did pass away. Big fan. I mean, Danny, well, I don't know if you watched a lot of videos.
I watched some other stuff. And it's not car content, but we still want to address it.
It was entertaining. I watched this stuff. It was sad times.
We're only going to be doing one side at a time because one of our jacks actually broke. Oh, what's up, Static Stephanie?
My name is Stephanie.
Oh, sorry, I'm just Martin.
I'm sorry, I'm just Danny.
No, you're Daniel.
Of course, being a convertible, when we took off everything, we can see that this little thing is actually taking up a lot of the space to get to the rear spot to take off the nuts on the tower. On the shock here, those are just studs going upwards, and honestly that's the only difficult thing that we're going to be dealing with, is trying to get there. We managed to get a ratcheting open-ended under there to get to these bolts because this tank is in the way. But luckily we didn't have to remove anything to get to it. Bottom is completely off, so now we just have to hold it up down here so it releases tension on the top so you can loosen all the nuts. Boom, there you go. You can already tell the difference in build quality versus the OEM one and the BC. The BC is a lot thicker. So we're gonna be throwing these in. I'm gonna be matching this height exactly with the other one that comes in the box, making sure it's the same, because obviously we're gonna be lowering it regardless, so we don't care if it's a dramatic drop. And Martin's right now going to go pick up the new wheels, dog.
And a jack deck?
We installed this side in literally about like 15 minutes, huh? And you're already tired?
Yeah.
Sick ass fool.
They will know why soon. So what Danny's gonna do right now is open up the convertible top to get to the two bolts right here for the shocks. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
The bolts are right here, doggy.
Yeah?
Boom. Yep. Sometimes I'm smart, fool. I respect you a little bit, fool. Is this a special delivery to the static garage? Oof. A new Harbor Freight jack? Alright. Fuck, you gotta be kidding me, dude. Oh my god. These are so nice. Alright, I'll let Chachin pull them out to show you guys how they look. Oh my god, bro.
What are these?
By 9.
By 9?
Bro, those are so nice.
Alright. These are going on the 36. I'll see you guys later.
Peace out. Once that thing's slammed, bro, and we dial it in, what do you think? Do you respect that look?
Like the backside too? It's nice.
I like how they painted it, bro.
Sparkle black.
When we were looking at wheels, we were looking at different companies, and Kansei Wheels is actually a new company that I heard about, and I told my dad to check them out, and we found two wheels we were choosing, either the 5-spoke one or this multi-spoke BBS similar wheel. He really liked them because it wasn't a BBS wheel and it was a little different, and we really like what the company stands for. He ended up ordering a set, so make sure to check out Kansei Wheels.
This don't look like 60,000. This looks like 160,000.
I know. And the thing is, it's gonna be a lot easier because we don't have to remove the top hat anymore. We can just put these on. So let's see the height difference already.
It's a few inches.
Few?
Give or take.
The reinforcement plates just fit right under here, and honestly it fits perfect. It does say on the ECS website, if you go, I mean actually any website, that you might need to modify it, but for E46s you really don't have to do anything. It's a perfect plug and play fit. So now we just have to put these on, and hopefully it's not too low. Now that Martin's tightening down everything, I'm going to be putting in the studs, which do require Loctite. So we don't put a lot, but we just put them on and then torque it to 25 foot-pounds. Then we should be good. With these, you're going to be able to get more selections for obviously lug nuts, because you can't with regular BMWs. Spacers, since they're extended, and honestly, it's just so much easier to remove wheels with them. We are running into some issues. To lower the rear as much as we wanted, we actually had to take out the perches that we removed off the E30, because these aren't the extreme low, but it ended up being way too low when we lowered everything else. So now we're gonna have to add, I would say, just one ring back in and lower the preload very little on the front, just to be able to drop it so they can match. And this is pretty much how it looks. The car does look really good in the front, with the fitment being perfect. On that side I do need to adjust the camber just very little, but as you can see, the rear is maxed out and it's tucking a lot. The fitment isn't good in the rear, so I would say about a 10mm or 15mm should fix that. I think I'm going to be dropping it about an inch or an inch and a half. It's been a long day and the sun's already going down. Martin left, Chachin left. We weren't even able to do Chachen's interior because it was getting so dark and we had to just adjust a bunch of things. Installing it wasn't the hard part, it was just trying to get it right. With these coilovers, since they're not the extreme lows, we should have gone with a bigger tire, so that's probably what we're gonna do the next go round. But these wheels look really nice, and I even tried them on the E46 and they do look really good. So maybe if I ever decide to get rid of them, I might pick up a pair of these or just something different. But here is the front. The front could be lower, but it already scrapes as it is, so we're just gonna leave it like this. And the rear is tucking. I mean, technically the rake is even, so the car is level, but I personally like when the wheel height is different, when the wheel height is the same in the front and rear. So I'd probably end up putting one more perch back in just so they could be even. What do you think?
I feel like it really fits this car just because it's more simple. Like, he's not really gonna do much to it.
Yeah.
So I feel like it works.
There's a lot of background noise, so I should probably end this video for today. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.